The disadvantage of this results table is that I can't edit it, and as soon as I close out of Thunderbit, it's going to disappear. So I want to convert it into a Google Sheet so it's more accessible and so I can edit it. So in the upper right corner, I could click on Download, and I've got a choice of formats I could download it to. But the easiest thing for me to do is just to copy it, and I'll copy it with headers. And now I can go to Google Sheets, to a new Google Sheet, and I'll click in cell A1 and press Command V on my keyboard. It would be Control V on a non-Mac or a PC. And now I've copied the table into the Google Sheet. I'm going to grab this border between the first and second columns and stretch it out. And then I'll stretch out this column, the second column. And I want to move all of these dates so they're aligned right. So I'll click on column B, go up to Format, Alignment, Right. So all of the dates are aligned right. I could do the same thing if I wanted to with the events. I'm going to click in the very first row, and I want to center the headers, and I want to make them bold, and I want to make them a little bigger, so I'll raise them to font size 12. And finally, I'm going to select the entire table and go over to Borders and select all borders. So I've got borders for all of my cells. So now I've got this nice table here in Google Sheets. If I want to find out about the Bataan Death March, I can go down to Bataan Death March, click on it, and go to the Britannica page about the Bataan Death March. I can close that page and go back to the table.